Hi everybody, this is John from Envision Robotics, and I wanted to just show you a few of the obstacles that we've been working on that are part of the Roblox Studio physics system. And I'm going to run the game in a moment so you can see some of the nifty stuff that we put together. This is not a how-to tutorial, but rather more of just a sneak peek of some of the stuff that we've been working on. But I think what we'll do is we'll put together a tutorial in the future around how to create some of these interesting obstacles. We plan to eliminate the floor as part of the final obby, but for right now, I just find it a little easier for testing with a floor in position. So let me run this and I'll right back. And okay, I'm just going to jump ahead to a few of the obstacles I had here. This is 3 rotating platforms, and the idea is to time it so you can jump on the small part of the platform and then try to catch it so that you don't get knocked off. But yet, there we go. Yet follow. It's incredibly hard. The rotating one is, each one is elevated a little bit. Turn around here so I can see if I can get to the next platform. Might miss that one. It's incredibly hard here. There we go. There we go. Oh. Made it past that one. Now, we've got a series of kind of platforms here. It fell off that one. Let me go back and I'll find another one. Okay, this is an earlier part of the obby here for me, and it's got like this swinging door. Oh, missed it there. Oh, there we go. Now this one here, I have to jump across and avoid hitting the bar. One more. There we go. Okay. This one here, it's platform swing a little faster. Missed there. Now I'm going to try and jump off it. There we go. Barely made it there. Okay, I've always showed you this, so I'll swing to another spot. Just hang on. Okay, I'm over at another part here. These are the rings. I got to jump through the rings. I've got a few platforms, some traps in them here. And they all wrote, oh, we've got, it fell off that. I'll come back and show you another section. Okay, so I'm at another part of the obstacle course here. You can see that I've got this platform on a spring. And the idea is to time it so that you jump on it, look at that, and then jump off it when it hits the bottom. There we go. And just a few more obstacles here. These things are rotating almost like rumble strips. Anyways, those are just a few of the obstacles that we've been working on for this obby. We've got a bunch of others, and as I said, it's not a how-to, but more just a preview of some of the cool stuff you can do with the physics part of Roblox Studio. Thanks for tuning in.